How to link your Farlight 84 account to a Google account. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. If you are playing Farlight 84 and want to link your account to Google, then first of all, open the Farlight 84 app on your device. Once you're inside the lobby page, go ahead and tap on your profile name at the top left. And from this section, go to the link option at the bottom right. Inside the link option, tap on the link button right next to Google and click OK. You'll then be able to see this user center. Tap on Link Social and click on the link button right next to Google. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter your Google account's credential or choose your Google account from here. Follow through the instructions, make sure to type in your email address and password correct when prompted, and you'll be able to link Farlight 84 with Google. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.